Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. So in this video, guys, we're going to show you an LCD hood for the Nikon D800. Okay, this is the display, LCD display. So if I turn it on, okay, and if I just click here to see the info display, okay, so you can see this. Okay, so this display, okay, we want to add some kind of a hood, like something like this on the top. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this, and this box, okay, little red box, contains the hood. So this is what you're gonna see. Okay, and this is not original one, but it just does the job. Okay. So here all the sides, you can see everything around it, and yeah. So we're gonna install it. So let's unbox it. So it has this tip and this tip, okay, or this edge and this edge. Okay, this is a cover, okay, for the transparent plastic. Okay, this is completely made of plastic, but if I just wanna, this is the hood, okay, and it has these, it come automatically, like, because it has a spring. So if I just click it like this, so if I remove it, okay, just at once, and that's it. And then I go to the camera, and then see the, which side, yeah, this side on the top goes to the top, of course. So let's make it like this. Let's close it. I'm gonna close it first for the ease of installation. Yeah, man, let's remove it, doesn't matter. I have this filament. Okay, and here, and remember this has to go to the bottom. Okay, voila. Now let's open it. Now the reason that I bought this is just for me to be able to take pictures of the sunspots. Okay, you know, the sun will be facing you when you're out, so this will help you. Okay, and so here, okay, and let's turn on the info. So let's see. Okay. So it's just a hood, you know, so this is how the camera will look like. Okay, let me turn on the info again so you can see it also with the, again, it's set on it an LCD hood. Okay. Yeah, that's all. So this is our LCD hood from now on. Okay. Now remember, this is made of plastic, not made of metal, so don't be harsh on it. Okay. Don't like bend it or something. Just easy does it. Okay, and that's it. And turn off the camera. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching. This cost me, I remember, like $12. Okay, from AliExpress. So I'm gonna put the purchase of the order link, okay, in the description. So so please, also I want to remind you of something, like this is this has many models, okay, like the front, I mean the hood, every kind of display has its own size, has its own LCD hood. So yeah, now maybe this is thick here. Now makes the camera a little bit thick, but it's okay, just fine. Okay, so please subscribe and like our channel. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.